Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and in this channel of mine I have talked before about visual collaboration tools like Tilde, like Sprout, and this is a really totally new approach to, first of all, the communication, like face-to-face communication means like a video calling communication or as such like that, and collaborating on the same place. Now, if you can't remember, or if you are new to my channel, I will obviously link that to these I buttons somewhere here. So and now, so I have found a app today that is that visual collaboration tool, like same kind of visual collaboration tool, but this the sole purpose of this app is just recreation. This place is created just for like chill out in Tilde. So you can create a workspace anonymously in other that Tilde, and there is Sprout. In Sprout you have to create an account, but here you can totally create it anonymously, like you don't have to sign up or sign in or do anything like that. And this platform will let you play trivia. It will give you a lounge. Obviously it will let you play trivia games like a dude, and yeah, there are lots of fun games also, like different types of games. So without any further like talking, let me show you how this works. So let's just dive into it. Now, the name of our today's app is Thursday. I don't know why it's Thursday. It should have been Friday or Saturday because weekends are always Saturday, Sunday. Friday is also good, but why Thursday? I don't know. And they have launched that this program also in Thursday. So really, it's obviously planned. And yeah, as you can see it here, where remote teams do their social, like here it is a one click workspace, like not workspace, it is a one click session where you will get a lounge. Then you can play like doodle faces games, like doodle faces, what you do rather, you can play that also. And then trivia also, and you can see some of the yes here, like some of the examples are already here. Okay, as you can see it here. And there is a center stage also where people can join and talk to all of them. Like this is a kind of stage, like center stage, where you can obviously give some lectures as well. I don't know, it have actually a lots of use case scenario that you can use it with. And let me show you the platform also, as they don't require any login. I have created a stage as well, so I can, so my video and audios are not turned on yet, so I can't join the stage. But rather than that, obviously I can join here. And here you can start the mixer, like they will play the games. And here is a link to copy, and you can share it. And here is the chat button, so if you want to chat with someone, so as you can see, now I am talking, so I can chat as well. Whenever you want to chat, you have to click on it just to start the chat. Hello. So you get the point, you get my point, right? So this is basically a web app that let you create a space for anything in general. It doesn't have to be something specific to work or anything like that. It's just a chill fun zone. So that's it for this video. And as you can see here, all of those game like features. So actually it's free also, so that's also great. And that's it for this video. Use it, and obviously use it, and let me know for which case scenario you are using it. So that would be a great conversation in the chat section, not in the chat or like comments chat or anything else, like in the comment section. So obviously comment that in the video, so for what you are using it. So I will also like to use that case scenario with my try out with my friends. Actually, I don't have too many friends, but still I can obviously try it out. So that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great, real cool, innovative apps like this, please let me know about all of them, because I love to quest all of them. Like I really, really love. And uh, like anything else, for design resource, coding resource, or APIs, let me know about all of them as well in the comment section, so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye for now.